Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are just new to this channel, then just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video on this channel. I post videos every single day, and after watching this video you can check out all these other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, as well as online business, and new content is coming up, so stay tuned with this channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money online easily just by getting someone to submit their emails, and that's it. You just have to make someone submit their emails and you can earn good amount of money with that. So we'll be going to one of the website which is known as AdWork Media. Okay, AdWork Media is an affiliate website. If you don't have an account on AdWork Media, then I suggest you to just go into Google and type in AdWork Media and then sign up for an account. Okay, there is nothing really difficult about it. It approves your request very fast, and just you can promote all these offers from AdWork Media. So these are the offers which provide you money just for giving emails. Okay, email submits. Just if someone provides their email going to this offer, then you may earn a commission. For example, here is $1.5, $1.44. Okay, see here you can see it's $1.33. Okay, here you can see it's $1.30. So this is very easy. You can easily get many people sign up for this. So this is one of the offer which we are going to promote, is that this is a Starbucks voucher. Okay, many people in the world want a Starbucks voucher and are searching on internet how to get a Starbucks voucher. So we'll be promoting this offer. Just click on the offer. You can only promote this offers in UK, okay, United Kingdom. Okay, now we'll be opening this offer. Okay, so here you can see that we have opened the offer, and yeah, it is approved. Okay, so you just have to go downwards and get the link. Okay, now you just have to click here, create on smart link, and you can ready for the link, or you just have this link, you can just copy this link and you are ready to promote that link. Okay, that's it, you got the offer. Now if someone submits their email clicking this offer, then you get a commission. Okay, that is $1. Okay, now you just have to move on towards a website which is known as YouTube. You probably know that YouTube is a big search engine and people search everything about here. So here people are searching like HOW, how to get free Starbucks offer in UK. As this offer is targeted for UK, so we will be adding this type of things. Okay, so here are some of the videos which are coming up. Okay, see, this video got 67k views, this video has 966 views, this video how to save money on Starbucks. So you just have to create one video probably like this. Okay, and just post that video, because this particular keyword does not have much competition, because not so many people are searching for this keywords each and every single day, but many of the students or who want something free are searching for this type of keywords, and you may get this type of traffic. Okay, so you just have to speak it up you just have to go to a Starbucks coffee and you can just speak it up like this guy has done, and then you can just get there, and with everything you can just make a video about how to get Starbucks voucher free, and then you just have to create one video about that. Okay, you can also create a screen recording video. For example, we just came here. Okay, now okay, review landing page. Okay, so we are on this page. Okay, see, this is the landing page, and here's what they have to do. You just have to go and just show people that if you want to get free Starbucks offer, then you just have to download Gaizo. Okay, Now what you have to do is download a software known as OBS Studio. Okay, OBS Studio. Okay, this is the software, obsproject.com. Okay, you just have to download this software if you are Mac user, Windows user, or Linux user. Whatever operating system you use, you just can download this software and you can record your screen. Okay, after that you just have to show people that if you go and submit your email to this website, then you will get a Starbucks offer. Okay, that's it. This is how screen recording, you just have to use this software and record your screen. For example, what I am doing now is just I am recording my screen and telling you how to promote this offer. So that's it. You just have to open this website and then tell people that if you want to get a Starbucks voucher, this is only for people in UK. So then you can just click over here and submit your emails, and after that you can get that voucher for free, and that's it. That's what you have to do, and then post that video on what can we say, YouTube, and that's it. Many of the people are searching for this keywords on YouTube, so that there won't be any much competition, because this video you can see is 2 years old, 5 months old. So all the videos here are old videos and not a new one is there. So you can just here given how to get free Starbucks offer in UK in 2019. Okay, in 2019. Okay, and that's it. You can hit enter and then you can go for it, because there is no one has created this, there is no competition over here, and you can just earn a good amount of money doing this, because every time someone signs up with their email, you get $1, you get a commission, which is $1.13. So you just have to make people click the link and you can get them all these things. Okay, so this is a very good offer which you can promote in UK, as well as here are some of the another offers which you can also promote in UK. For example, this is win iPhone X, then win Black Friday vouchers, then Flamingo Starbucks offers. There are so many of the offers. You can promote all these offers. Just create one video around each and every offer and you are just ready to go. Just you have to record your screen, tell people about that. If you want this free voucher, then you just have to go and sign up here with your email, and that's it. You have to use this software which is called Open Broadcaster software, and just give link and just give this affiliate link, this affiliate link in the description, and if someone signs up from that affiliate link, you get a commission. That's super easy, super fast, and you just can do this and scale this method to a very good average, because this is a simple method which any one of you can utilize, and there is no rocket science in it. You just have to create screen recording with this software known as OBS Studio, which even I am using to record my screen, and that's simple as that. Okay, so it is very easy. Just go and try this method. It is 100% working, and many people are making a good amount of money using this method. So if you like this video, got some value from this video, then do press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and stay subscribed.